Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage lifestyle and interests ad settings on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile, click on the settings icon here. Now here you will find ads, click on it, and here you will find lifestyle and interests. Click on it, and here as you see you can choose any option you want. You can select any one here, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.